Check it. I do this for the 50th and the 4-9 niggas who was with me when I was out on my porch grind, hand in hand scrambling. Now I got the juice like a mandarin. They still trying to figure out how to handle them. They like, he ain't used to be that hot and rap. Been had the way since they brushed it off with the stocking cap. Philly, my section can look it up in the almanac. But walking down the wrong nigga block and get you a pocket check. Who the fuck door is you knocking at? A hand sauce leaking from your nugget. Get a box for that. Bar for bar, I treat instrumentals like a boxing match. Beat it to the bristle, nigga, Rocky's back. As far as battle rap, I'm the best in my city. I'm ugly as fuck, but the perfection that I crafted is pretty. The man where I'm from, I lived in every hood in the city. I'm used to the fire, so imagine you getting with me. It's like I got 10s, 15s, 30s, and dubs for sale. In the boxes, I chase blues like Gargamel. Trying to convince me you a gangster, that's the hardest sell. Especially when the niggas that I'm running with be hard as nails. You pull up on my block with it. Tryna pull out your burner, you getting popped with it. I pull up with a black mask and a socks fitted. Tell the neighbors you met the description and the cops did it. That was hard shit, I think it was. All I'm saying is don't get Michael Brown for a fucking buzz. I'm from the city of Beverly, ain't no fucking love. Walk up on me, you can catch a fucking slug. West Philly.
School of hard knocks, I graduated the weight. Fat niggas when I ate, I never ate in they face. Couple niggas snakes, just want a portion on my plate. When they can't relate, there's nothing else but they hate. Gave niggas life with sad men can't create. These niggas late, me I'm in the latest. My niggas demonstrators, you niggas is imitators. Hitting mad bitches, bad bitches, different flavors. I don't fuck with niggas, all niggas want his favors. Fuck niggas out the circle, can't let them penetrate us. On my job to keep a job for the haters. Can't break us, mean really niggas should thank us. You niggas out here sleeping, trying to stay up. Reality hit me, forced me to wake up. Nub said, let them hate, we on our way up. Fresh paper boy T to finish the layup. Loud pack got me turned, shit I'm way up. Nigga put me on the track, that's a layup. Bet whatever, drop some paper, fuck your day up. Last to leave, first to wake up. Present never absent, miss a day and they a day up. Help fiends to wake up and tax them on the makeup. Smooth shank, you hear me, nigga, we gon' get this cake up. Any past relations couldn't cover, had to break up my cake up. Yeah, I'm talking heavy cause I'm heavy, get your weight up.
Damn! Yeah, you nicotine free, you don't want no smoke. Not at all. Right loaf of bread, I'll feed you the toast. Show me the safe, like get taped up and broke. Money hungry, so I'm hugging the post. I need a meal, more money like Mother Nature do air. I need to chill. Why that gangster rap made man spit, man homie squill. You a kicker when it come to this league, I play the field. You only on the turf some of the time. My lyrics is pip, you can't puff none of the sky. Pop these blues, throw this juice, snort none of these lines. How you compare, still reserved to the finest of wine. After the day, I'm the hottest on side. And I'm still gonna be the hottest at the die in the line. Can't fraud, mills love me, I be popping them mine. And for them CPU chips, I be dying them calm. Yeah, my advice, sweat it off if you owe a fee. We get it popping like New Year's Eve. I'm in the league of my own, playing commissioner. Who you getting, bright? Got balls like a prisoner. Machine gun funk, let the joint rid of ya. Blood work, distressing all of your denim. Grab my feathers with a platter, had to split it up. Southwest, south side, west side.